Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix a D3D11 compatible GPU. Feature level 11.0 shader mode 5.0 is required to run the engine. If your computer shows that error, what we're going to do first is to search for adjust the appearance, and this option should pop up, adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. So click on it, and we have to head on to the advanced tab right here. So click on it. And under the virtual memory, we have a change option, so tap on that. And first, we're going to set it as custom size. For the initial size, let's set it to 1024. And for the maximum size, first we're going to open our calculator. So go ahead and search for that and open calculator. From here, we are going to type in 1024, and we are going to multiply it by how much RAM we have. If you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, multiply it by 8. If you have 16, multiply it by 16. So since I have 16 gigabytes of RAM, I'll multiply it by 16, and this result should pop up, and that is what we are going to type in to the maximum size. Once you have done that, click on set right here, click on OK, and that should solve your problem. If not, the second way is to search for device manager. Open up device manager, and from here we're going to look for display adapter. So here it is. We are going to expand it by clicking on the little arrow icon beside it and select the adapter that you have. Right click on it, and we are going to disable the device. Click on yes, and that should disable it. And now it should be enabled again. And that should fix your problem. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.